Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me share you how to install Apple Music on your Android smartphone. And also I will tell you how to set up the payment related information and what are the new features in the Apple Music and how to enable the Dolby Atmos music or high resolution audio settings on the Apple Music. So firstly, to install the Apple Music, just to go to the Google Play Store and search for the Apple Music and just install the application. Now, once you installed, just to open the application. Now it shows this one. Click on the continue. Now in the diagnostic option, click on send it to Apple. Now click on the allow. Now just click on the try it free. So for the first month, the Apple Music is free, and after that you need to pay 119 rupees per month. Click on try it free. And if you are planning to go with any other plans, here you can see all plans. Click on this. So here it's an individual offer, and if you want a family offer, you can click this option. And if you're a student, you can select the student offer. In the student offer, it's only 59 rupees per month. So I'm using the individual offer and click on try it free. And all these three plans you'll get the first month as a free of cost. Now in the sign in option, if you're already having an existing Apple account, click on use existing. Now I'm going to create a new Apple account. Click on the create new Apple account. Now in this page, enter all the details and after that click on agree and click on the next option. Now after entered all the details, you need to verify your email address and click on the continue. Now you are entered into the Google Play option. So here you need to select your payment method. So I am already selected the phone pay option. If you want to select any other payment method, here click on this option. Now here you can see all your list of payment methods. So select whatever payment method you want. And also at the bottom, you can see add credit or debit card, pay with UPI, redeem code like that. So in my opinion, it's better to use the pay with UPI option. And also in that UPI, it should support the UPI mandate feature. So it's better to use Phone Pay, Google Pay, or if you are using Tata Neo application also, that type of application will support the UPI mandate. So I'm using the Phone Pay and I'm already given my Phone Pay UPI ID. So give your Phone Pay or Google Pay UPI ID, and after that here click on the subscribe option. Now you need to verify your purchase. So you have to enter your Google account password, or if you're having a in-display fingerprint, click on that. So now you need to complete your purchase in the UPI application. So now just to minimize the application and in the notification bar, you can see the Phone Pay request. Click on that. Now unlock your Phone Pay and click on the pay option. Now you need to click on the set auto pay. Enter your UPI pin. Now the auto pay set successful. Now again just to go back to the Apple Music. So now it actually showing this screen. Wait for a few seconds. So now it actually rolling. And you can able to see 2 rupees has been debited from your account. Just swipe that. And now it actually shows want to add this backup payment. It's up to you whether you want to click on add or click on no thanks. Now in this page, it actually rolling. It actually takes some time. Now, if you're not automatically entered into the Apple Music during this step, then just better close the Apple Music and again open the Apple Music. Now it automatically enters, and you can check your subscription by just clicking on this three dot menu and click on the account. Now here click on manage subscription, and here is the your subscription. Individual offer expires on March 3, 2025. So up to March, we can now able to use the Apple Music for free of cost. And if you want to cancel the subscription also, you can cancel that. Then you will not charge the 119 rupees. And even if I cancel the subscription immediately, I can able to use the Apple Music up to March 3rd. So now this is the methods of installing and setting up the payments on the Apple Music. Now let me share you how to unlock high-res audio and Dolby Atmos. So for this, again, click on this three dot menu and go to the settings. Now here you can see the audio quality option. Click on this option. Now here you can see the lossless audio option. Enable it. And after that, you will see the two options. Change the settings in both these options. Firstly, click on mobile data streaming and select the high-res lossless. This is the Apple lossless audio codec supported up to 24-bit 192 kilohertz. Click on this option and click on stream high-res lossless and click on OK. If you use any external DAC, then it will be more good. For example, so if you're using earphone like that means if you use any external DAC like this headphone zone DDI5 DAC means if you use this type of DAC, then the quality will be much more on the audio quality. So you can able to experience the high resolution audio. So now for mobile data streaming, you have to select that. And similarly for the Wi-Fi streaming also select this option. And if you are planning to download the music also, so for downloads, you want a lossless, high quality or high res lossless, you can select it based on your preference. Now we set up the high res audio. For example, if now I am actually search for any song which is supported with the high resolution means I can able to see the high res tagline. So I'm searching for this song now. Now this song is actually supported only lossless, which means it's supported 24-bit 44.1 kilohertz. And if you want a high resolution format, it is based on the availability. So if a composer is actually given that high resolution format means then you can able to see the high resolution format. That is supported 24-bit 96 kilohertz. You have to just go through with all the songs. If that particular song has the availability of high resolution audio, then you can able to see the high res. So now as you've seen here, now this song is supported with the high res lossless. Once you click on, you can see the 24-bit 96 kilohertz ALAC. So this is how you can just go through with all the songs and you can see the high res lossless or lossless like that. Then if you want to unlock the Dolby Atmos, for that firstly your smartphone need to support with the Dolby Atmos. Then only you can able to see this option. In the Apple Music, just click on three dot menu and click on settings. Now here you can see the spatial audio option. You have to just turn on this option. If you want to get this option, your smartphone need to be supported with Dolby Atmos. I am using the Realme 12 Pro smartphone. For example, now in this smartphone, it's a Realme Narzo 60 series phone. This smartphone is not supported with the Dolby Atmos. Now in this smartphone, when I open the Apple Music and go to the settings, I can't able to see the spatial audio option. So here, as you've seen, it's a Dolby Atmos supporter. It's not supported with the Dolby Atmos. So now in the Dolby Atmos supported phone, I can see the spatial audio option, but in this phone, there is no spatial audio option. So after enabling the spatial audio option only, I can able to see the Dolby Atmos format songs. Like how we actually see that high res audio format. So after enable, we can able to see the Dolby Atmos format in the supported songs. For that also, you have to just go through to all the songs, and if you get any Dolby Atmos tagline, and after that you can just favorite that, or you can just add that particular song to a separate playlist like that. Now this song is supported with the Dolby Atmos. Suppose if I actually turned off this setting spatial audio option, now on this same song, if I go back forward to that song, now this song is actually showing the lossless format. Now that Dolby Atmos format will not show now, and the song is also not play in the Dolby Atmos format. There is a difference between the high res audio and the Dolby Atmos format. Surely you can able to feel the difference at any particular timeline. The difference between the lossless format and Dolby Atmos format on this song is that, so I'm giving the timeline timestamp here. So when you check at that particular timestamp, you can able to feel the that difference. Normally in the lossless format, the sounds actually moving from left to right like this. But when you select the Dolby Atmos format, the sound will actually move behind your head from the left to right and right to left. Now that's it on this video, guys. Now in this way, you can unlock the Dolby Atmos format and the high resolution audio formats in the Apple Music. Similarly, in Apple Music recently, there is a feature called a sound check option. So this sound check option is a really good algorithm. So to minimize the distortion level. So if you are already having any audio product, in that audio product, if you can't able to increase the volume, so if you increase the volume, you might face any distortion or more crappy like that sounds means. After you enable the sound check option, it will actually neutralize all the sounds in all the range of frequencies like bass, mids, and especially on the treble portion. So after enabling this option, you can able to hear the audio in balanced state and clean and clear without major distortion. It will actually reduce the distortion. You can able to feel that after enabling this option. But at the same time, it will also affect the original quality of the bass experience. So if your audio product is having a distortion means then enabling this option, then you can listen to that distorted audio product with better experience than before. But if your audio product is more good for you means then it not recommended to enable this option. Well, now that's it about the Apple Music application. So in this video, I'll share you how to install, how to set up the payments, and how to unlock the Dolby Atmos and the high-res audio formats. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe. And thanks for watching this video, guys.